In the vibrant village of ancient Fiji, two wise parrots named Lonnie and Kimo loved to share tales with the children. One sunny day, they perched on a tree and spotted a young boy named Nico sitting alone, looking sad. Lonnie fluttered down and chirped, "Why so glum, little one?" Nico replied, "I'm too afraid to speak up in class." Kimo, with a twinkle in his eye, said, "Every voice matters, dear Nico. We fly high because we believe we can." Encouraged by their words, Nico decided to try speaking in class. When he finally did, his kind thoughts inspired his classmates to share their own ideas. Together, they learned that kindness and self-confidence could create a brighter world.